What's up everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. So now we just have to make the cute, adorable packaging. You'll need 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. I recommend using a lightweight paper so that it bends easily. The bath salt envelopes should be the same weight as regular envelopes. So here I have my swing line paper cutter, and it's also perfect because you can score. But the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it 10.5 by 9. Now score at the 10-inch line, and I'm using a knife upside down to score the paper. And then we're gonna score at the 5. Now we're gonna score a 1/2 at the bottom. So from here, it should look like this. Now you're gonna take scissors and cut off, you're only gonna leave the middle flap. I like to pin this and then break it off that way. So now you only have a center flap. Now we have to make the indents of where the grommets are gonna go. And by the way, I'm using 1/4 inch grommets. So this is going to be the back. So this is where we're gonna want it, right here. It's going to be 5 inches across. We are going to score at the 1.5 and the 3.5. Now we're gonna put this together. I punched holes, but I don't think you have to with a grommet tool. Either way, just make sure the holes in grommets are placed directly in the middle of the score lines. After I'd done a few of these, I realized that I probably don't want to add grommets to each single one. I want to make a pack. And because I did exact dimensions, whenever you put it together like that, they should line up perfectly. Perfect. Oh, and I also made some labels. Some really cute labels, you know, for the different types. For the label tutorial, click the information icon. Finish preparing the bath salt envelopes and group them in packs of 3 to 5, depending on how fat the envelopes are. It starts to get pretty thick at 3. So I don't know if 4 will work, but we will try it. So this is a grommet tool. You're gonna stick the top on the top, right? Just slide it right in there like that. And then you're gonna place a bottom plate on the bottom plate. And it's magnetic, so it doesn't move, which is pretty cool. Now you just put it right there in the hole, see that? And once you have it right where you want it, squeeze both sides of the grommet tool.
Right in the hole there.
Now you have professional looking bath salts in packages. Last, finish your beautiful package off with a ribbon. And you could just buy envelopes instead of all this. I made my own so I could personalize them. And also because clearly I enjoy torturing myself. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for joining me today. Happy New Year. If you liked this tutorial or you want to show my channel some love, subscribe now. And don't forget to comment. I only get to read them the day of and the day after I post the video, but I love reading them.